Hello guys! Today I do have the Samsung Galaxy A36 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix fast charging not working in this device. The first thing that you have to do, and which is recommended, is to have it, if you don't have any debris in your charging port over here. As you can see here, we do have our charging port, and the thing you have to do is to check if you do have here any debris. If you do, that's not normal. You need to have some non-metallic tool and just clean this port. Apart from that, check your cable, both cable and the charger, for any damage. If any of these tools are damaged, you won't charge your device using the fast charge. Although, if it's not damaged, you need to check for the compatibility. Sometimes Samsung does something like this, that you need to have some chip in the chargers that you can do, that it just manages your phone to get the full power from the charger, and if your charger doesn't have it, you need to just buy a certified one. Apart from that, go to the settings, scroll down to the battery, and here scroll down again to the charging settings. Make sure that the fast charging option here is checked and enabled. If it is, that's nice. If it isn't, you need to just have it checked and turned on. Apart from that, you can check, you can test your phone with another fast charger, another just different one, and a different outlet, power outlet. If it works with different outlet, check your charger and different outlet, and just try to experiment with all these to check which is damaged. And apart from that, update your software to fix some charging bugs. So go back, and scroll all the way down to the software update. Download and install, and if you do have any updates, just install them. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.